What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're talking about another very common symptom of anxiety, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, hyperventilation, stuff like that. Go ahead and smash the like button down below, and we're gonna do something different today. Let me know how old you are in the comments. I wanna know how old my audience is, the different ages that anxiety affects people at. I'm just curious to know, so let me know how old you are down below, and let me know if this is a symptom that you struggle with. And quick reminder, if you haven't gotten my free ebook, it's still free, it's still available. Anxiety Symptoms Explained, it's in the description and it's in the first pinned comment, so download that today if you haven't. So, this is a very common symptom of anxiety and it's reported very, very often, all right? It's one of the most reported anxiety symptoms. Now, people word it differently. They'll say shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, breathing troubles, hyperventilation, but it's pretty much all the same thing. And if you have panic attacks, you're probably definitely going to experience this, but you don't always have to have panic attacks to have it. But for me, I was having 5 to 10 panic attacks a day, so this was normal for me, normal life. All right, and if it followed my chest pain, it was actually one of the things that would push me to go to the ER or the hospital, because I was like, you know what, this is the heart attack. You know, this is about to happen. This is for real. This is my 6th heart attack of the day, but this is the worst out of the 6, and this is what's going to actually kill me. Okay, that was my irrational thoughts back then. But it was horrible. It would make me feel more dizzy, more nauseous, more depersonalized, more detached. I would actually hallucinate sometimes, get blurry vision. These are some pretty common symptoms of hyperventilation. But if you've seen a doctor, you've gotten your reassurance, which I'm not a medical doctor, by the way. You need to make sure that anxiety is what's causing this and something else instead of something else more serious. But once you get tested out, trust the doctors, and then you want to kind of know why this is happening. And then you want to work on your anxiety from there. So I was able to do that eventually, but what's actually going on, like many other symptoms of anxiety, is that it's our fight or flight response. We're trying to fight or run away from danger. The problem with us, guys, the problem with anxiety sufferers is that we think things like taking a test or taking a stroll or meeting new people are dangerous situations. No, our body is prepared for battle, for war. It is trying to fight or run away from bears, lions, tigers, burglars, mass shootings. This is a serious situation. That's how our body is taking it. So our body is going to get prepared for that. It's going to tense up. Our blood pressure, our heart rate's going to go up. And what follows is our respiration increases. It goes up. We are taking in breaths more rapidly and shallow, okay? So you're going to get that feeling of not being able to take a deep breath. Our diaphragm is going to be more tense. Our breathing cavity, our chest cavity is going to be more tense and constricted. It's going to be hard to take a huge deep breath. But I want you to think of it like this, and this makes perfect sense, guys. This is to show you how normal this is when it's associated with anxiety, although very scary, all right? If you're about to go to battle with something, if you're trying to fight something off, imagine a lion coming after you. You have to make a quick decision. You're going to have to bolt or you're going to have to fight it off, all right? Do you think you're going to be sitting there like this? I guess if you're like a badass and you have some master plan, going on up there, then maybe that'll make sense. But most of us are going to be, I'm going to run away, or I'm going to try to fight it off, do the best I can against a full-grown lion. But if you look at it like that, it brings comfort. You know that your fight or flight response is there for a reason, and that's why you're feeling that way. You guys need to wrap your mind around this and actually know what's happening to your body. All right? Your body is trying to fight something or run away from something that is horrible, that is horribly dangerous for you. You're just not, realizing that the things that you're actually afraid of are not rational, they're not normal, they're not dangerous, okay? So stop with that. Stop focusing on these symptoms. Learn how the process works. I hope this video gave you value, and I know a lot of you are struggling with that. Hopefully that was a brief and good explanation for you guys to show you what's actually happening and to show you that I understand what you're going through. But guys, I hope you got value. If you did, do me a favor and hit the like button. Share this with somebody if you feel led to. Again, leave me a comment. How old are you? Did you struggle with this symptom in particular? Again, grab my free ebook whenever you get done watching this video. It's down below. There's other resources down there, but guys, subscribe if you haven't, okay? If this is your first time here, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and hit that bell so you get updates whenever my videos come out. Until next time, guys, I love you all, and keep fighting, okay?